evening. I am Diya Gupta. Welcome to Radio Bharati. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines: Withdrawal of nominations end today for assembly polls in Rajasthan. UCG issues guidelines for foreign universities to set up campuses in India. Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Day celebrated in Dhaka. Indian Pavilion buzzes with energy and vibrancy at Sharjah International Book Fair 2023. 37th National Games to conclude in Goa. Australia captain Meg Lanning announces retirement for international cricket. Go first lenders pinning hopes on Jindal Steel and Power for revival. Engineering good exporters to Parliamentary Standing Committee to Commerce. Now news in brief. Campaigning for assembly elections has reached its peak in 4 states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Telangana. In Madhya Pradesh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding public meetings in the state for the 3rd consecutive day. Mr. Modi will address 3 rallies in Satna, Chhatarpur and Neemuch today. The University Grant Commission UCG has announced regulations for establishment and operation of campuses by foreign universities in India. According to the regulations, foreign universities can collaborate to set up the campuses in India, provide the eligibility criteria individually. Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation ITEC Day celebrated in Dhaka on Tuesday. The High Commission of India in Dhaka organized a function in collaboration with the ITEC Alumni Association of Bangladesh IAAB to celebrate the ITEC Day. Bangladesh Agriculture Minister Dr. Mohammad Abdur Razak graced the occasion as a chief guest. Sharjah, UAE, the 42nd edition of the Sharjah International Book Fair is currently underway, delivering an extraordinary celebration of literature, culture and global influences. Organized by the Sharjah Book Authority, the event is taking place from November 1 to 12 at the Sharjah Expo Center. The 37th National Games 2023 will conclude today, November 9 in Goa. The closing ceremony will be held at Shama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium in Panaji. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Indian Olympic Association President PT Usha are among the host dignitaries who will attend the closing ceremony. The National Games begin in Goa on the 25th of the last month. Meg Lanning announced her retirement from international cricket on Thursday after leading the Kangaroos for almost 13 years. Lanning, who led the Aussies to 5 World Cup wins, scored 8,352 runs in 241 matches overall 3 formats. After extending the insolvency resolution timeline of the Bellegarde Go First by another 3 months, lenders too grounded and hinging their hopes on Naveen Jindal, Jindal Steel and Power Limited for revival of the company. At a time when India is negotiating free trade arguments with highly competitive markets such as UK and European Union, Indian engineering good manufacturers have explicitly flagged the issue of inverted duty structure in GST rates and the high raw materials cost draining their competitiveness. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharati. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.